Today's recipe is all about Ilish mach or Hilsa, which is very famous in Bengal for its oiliness and its beautiful taste. It is a delicacy and considered as such. It does not need too much cooking. So we are cooking Jeere Ilish or Hilsa in cumin batter or sauce. So this is how we crush the jeera. Just keep it in water, soaked in water. Take it out from the water, and this is the traditional sheel noda or the grinder with which we make the paste of the spices. So I'm doing it in sheel bata. You can also do it in mixie. This is how the jeere bata or the cumin paste looks like after being ground. So keep it aside after covering. Light a stove and set on a pan. You should take a wider pan if possible and not a wok, because this cooking is to be done very delicately. Hilsa fish usually breaks if you turn it too much because it is a very soft fish. Hi friends, welcome to my Kalo channel to a new recipe of Jeere Ilish or Ilish in Jeere Bata. These are the Hilsa fishes which I am frying. Do not put too much mustard oil because the Hilsa will start releasing oil after a little time. Just turn the fishes on both sides so that both sides are fried, but do not fry them till they are brown. Just change of color will do because Hilsa is cooked very easily, and be careful when you turn them, they might break. You can notice the color change very easily. So we have done the fishes on both sides. Now we are taking the fishes out, just separating them and making a space so that you can temper the oil with cumin. We could have taken the fishes out in a separate plate, but we did not take it out because the fishes might break. So allow the cumin to fry for 30 seconds after tempering, and now pour the paste of cumin that you have kept aside. This is the only spice that will be used. I am using the water from the washed spice bowl for enhancement of taste. Now for the green chilies. Green chilies go very well in Hilsa fish. So Hilsa along with green chilies are a must. I am putting 4 chilies. You can put as many as you want to. I put 5 chilies. You can put as many as you want to because when we are taking Hilsa fish, we usually crush these green chilies with rice. Hilsa goes very well with plain steamed rice. Just toss and turn them in this cumin sauce and pour a little raw mustard oil from the top. Cooking for 2 to 3 minutes is enough. And here is your beautiful Jeere Ilish or Hilsa in cumin sauce. I have just covered it for 1.5 minutes and allowed it to simmer along with the raw mustard oil. So friends, if you like my recipe, I request you to subscribe and encourage me to cook more such recipes and share with you. And also I would request you to like, share and comment as to how your recipe turned out. You can see this Hilsa contains a little bit of egg. So Hilsa with little bit of egg is considered a real delicacy of the rainy season in West Bengal or Bengal. Thank you for watching the video till